Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've built this WooCommerce shop site here. This is part of a course we did online. If you want to take the course, I've got a discount coupon below this video if you want to learn how to build this particular site. We used a free template and a free WordPress build to build this site here. It's a clothing store with all kind of different things and accessories and bits and pieces. What we're going to do in this series of video, we're going to install a plugin called Elementor, which will allow us to build extra pages. We've got plenty of pages on here. But what it's going to do is allow us to build real custom style pages. So follow along with this series and we'll show you how to build some great things using the Elementor plugin. Okay, yesterday we showed you how to cut this image of this guy out using an online tool, which made it very easy for us. Today we're going to discuss some responsive options because I'm fairly happy with the way this looks. Looks great on the desktop, but doesn't look so good if we view it on a tablet or a phone. So I've got Elementor open here, as you can see. On the Advanced tab, with our image right here, and if we click on the little screen icon next to where it says margin up here, or padding, it doesn't matter which, we can check out our responsive. So there's desktop monitor, here's tablet, and you can see on the tablet, I mean, it looks okay, but our little fella's kind of floating up in the air, and I don't really care for that. I mean, we could change the padding just on, or we could change the margin, I suppose, just on this version. Okay, what we could do, we could give it a bit of padding on the top or margin on the top just on the tablet size and push it down to the bottom. Let's try putting 100 pixels or so in there. Okay, I need to uncheck this chain because it's done it on all four of them. Uncheck that and do it individually. There we go. Okay, that's pushed him down the bottom a little bit. Oh, if we can go down a little bit more, that's pushing it down. Let's try and take this down a little bit. There we go, and -1. So we got him standing on the bottom there, so he's still, on this one he looks okay. On that one he looks okay. I don't really like that, to be honest with you, but you can do adjustments. On cell phone, again, he's kind of floating up in the air. I don't really care for that. So there's an option to move things around on different sizes, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this whole section here, have this visible on desktop and just this visible on mobile and tablet. So let's duplicate this section, go up to the section, right click, hit duplicate. There it is underneath. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this guy. In fact, I might delete this row. Delete. There we go. So we've got our sale items in the middle. So I want to put a bit more padding on the bottom there and a little less on the top of this one. So let's add it, edit this. Go over to the padding settings. Got 50 on the top. Let's take that back to 0. On the margin, and there's 0. And what I'm going to do is this one, I could have done this on the section itself. I'll give it a bit of padding on the bottom of, say, 50 pixels. Uncheck that so we can do individual. Yeah, I think that looks okay. 60. Let's maybe give it 70. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And you might say, well, I don't want 2 of those there, which is absolutely fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm clicking on the Edit tab. I'm going to go down to our responsive options, which are under the Advanced tab. This particular section right here, I'm going to hide on desktop and it'll be visible on tablet and mobile. And if we go up to this section here, go to advanced, to responsive, I'm going to have this one visible on desktop and hidden on tablet and mobile. Let's just check I've got those correct. So this one is only visible on desktop. This one is visible on tablet and mobile only. So it's hidden on desktop. That's fine. Let's update and let's preview our changes. And as you can see on the desktop version, we've just got this chat, which is absolutely correct. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to hit F12 and toggle the responsive mode. It's already on, so iPad. As you can see, the fella's not there. We've got just our sale item thing, and that should be the same for the phone as well. Let's go down. Yeah, as you can see, our little fella's gone, which is absolutely fine, and we've just got this nice sale bit. Go back to desktop style, and we've got our little fella back again. So there's how to utilize Elementor's responsive queries there to do different things on different size screens. It's a really useful option, especially as nowadays everything needs to be responsive and work on all devices. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.